Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create an internal sandbox network between the server and the client. Let's dive in. Alright, make sure you click on the server and then go to settings and then go to network and change this attached to under adapter 1 from NAT to internal network. And hit OK. Same we do with the client. So click on the client, go to settings, go to the network, under adapter 1 from this drop down menu, change it from NAT to internal network and then click OK. So now it's time to power on our virtual machines. Instead of starting both of them at the same time, it's better to power on one and wait for it to fully boot and then power on the second one. Let's take a closer look at how our sandbox network would be structured. We'll assign the following IP addresses. So the client will use 192.168.10.1 and the server will use 192.168.10.10. These IP addresses actually are part of class C network, which means the first three numbers 192.168.10 represent the network part, and they must be the same for both machines to communicate. And the last number, which is 1 for the client and 10 for the server, is called the host part. This what uniquely identifies each device on the same network. Okay, so let's start and configure our IP addresses for the client machine. So provide the password. I'm sorry, maybe I forgot the password. Alright, so once in, go to network, okay, and then click on network and internet settings. And then go to Ethernet and then go to change adapter options. Click on adapter options, you will get this Ethernet, right click on it and go to properties. Once there, go to Internet Protocol version 4, which is IPv4, and hit on properties, and then use the following IP address and provide the static IP address. So we said 192.168.10 and 1 for the server, and then once you click on the subnet mask, it will provide this automatically. Okay. And then we provide the gateway as we provide in the gateway or the default gateway address, we provide the address of the server, since we don't have an actual router between them. Okay, so we provide 192.168.10.10 and then click OK, and that's it for the client side. So we go to the server, go to input, keyboard, and then insert Ctrl Alt del, provide the password, it's taking some time. It's hanging, sorry. Okay. It's taking some time. Yeah, So just give it some time to finalize the setup and all the settings. Let's remove the server manager for now and we will see it later. So go to network, click on the globe here and then go to network and internet settings and then Ethernet the same way and go to change adapter options and then right click on the Ethernet, go to properties and go to IPv4, use the following IP address and then provide 192.168.10.10. Okay, and it doesn't matter for the server, like the gateway for the server, so you can keep the same IP address or you can provide the IP address of the clients, but or you can keep it blank actually because it doesn't affect anything. Okay, so I will keep the same IP address here. So now we need to verify our configuration if it's working. So open the command prompt and then try to ping the client from the server and vice versa. So 192.168.10.1. If we try to ping it, so you see that the ping, it doesn't work from the server side. Similarly, let's try from the client side. Open the command prompt, okay, and ping the server 168.10.10. It doesn't work, right? So to fix this problem, we need to go back to the network settings and then go to Ethernet and then change advanced sharing options. And for the private network and for the guest and public network, turn on the sharing and discovery of the machine. Turn on both of them. Okay, this is for the client. Same, let's go to network and internet settings and then change the advanced sharing options. Click for the private, turn on the network discovery for the private and for the public, and save changes. So let's start test ping with the client and then we test the server. Okay, from the client side, ping 192.168.10.10. This is the server. As you can see, the ping is working. So the client can discover the server in the network or the packet has been received. This is from the client side. As you can see from the server side, the ping is working as well. Let's take a snapshot and call it the setup. Setup Sandbox 1. Okay.